Welcome to Module 3 Learning Curve Problem Illustrations. Let's see the problem statement 1. A company has received an order of 8 units of a standard product which involves labor operations. The first unit was made in 10 hours. It is understood that this type of operations is subject to 80% learning effect. The workers are getting a wage rate of Rs 12 per hour. Well, in this problem, an order is received by the company of 8 units. Learning curve rate is given, that is 80%. To manufacture the first product, the time taken is 10 hours and the labor cost is given, that is Rs 12 per hour. Well, we have to calculate what is the total time and labor cost required to execute above order. And also we need to calculate if a repeat order of 24 units is also received from the same customer, what is the labor cost necessary for the second order. That is, in the first one, that is for 8 units, we need to calculate the total labor hours and the labor cost. Next, the same customer has placed for 24 units. So we have to calculate for 24 units what is the labor cost necessary to execute this order. So let's calculate. First step, we need to calculate the learning curve. So how to prepare a learning curve table is, first you write the number of units, then the average time taken, the learning rate is given as 80%, then the total hours. And the number of units in the first order, that is 8 units is there. The next one is for 24. So how we write this is, first product, next always it doubles, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So as per our question, in the first order, we require 8 units. In the second order, we require 24 units. So you can just see 8 plus 24 is 32. So we have stopped till 32. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. In other words, 32 minus 24, you get 8. 32 minus 24, you get 8. In other words, 8 plus 24, we get 32. So first we have to write the number of units. Next we need to write the average time taken, that is learning curve is 80%. So to manufacture the first product, the time taken is 10 hours, which is given in the question. Total hours is 1 into 10, you get the total hours. So first we'll complete the second column, that is the average time. So first is 10 for 2 units. As per the problem, 80% is the learning curve. How to calculate this? 10 into 80%, you get 8. Then 8 into 80%, you get 6.4. Then 6.4 into 80%, you get 5.12. Then 5.12 into 80%, you get 4.096. Then 4.096 into 80%, you get 3.277. So after you complete writing the average time, next we have to calculate the total hours. How to calculate total hours? Just number of units into average time taken. In other words, if I name this column as A and this column as B, just A into B, we get the C, that is total hours. So just multiply these both columns, you get the total hours. So after you calculate this learning curve table, then let's calculate, as per the question, we need to calculate the labor hours as well as the labor cost. Now we have calculated the labor hours. Let's calculate exactly for 8 units and 24 units, both labor hours as well as the labor cost. First, let's calculate the labor hours. For 8 units, the total labor hours required is this much. That is already given, already you have calculated. That is for 8 units, the total labor hours is 40.96. So let's calculate the labor cost. In the question itself, the rate is given. Labor cost per hour is given, that is 12. So take the hours into multiply by per hour, that is Rs 12. You get the rate, that is 491.52. So let's calculate for 24 units in the similar manner. So labor hours for 24 units of second order is 63.90 hours. How do we get this 63.90 hours? As you can observe in the above table, for 32 hours it is 104.86, but we require for 24 hours. So just minus this 104 minus 104.86 minus 40.96. Why are we subtracting this? You can observe here, 32 units minus 8 units, you get 24. So we need to calculate for 24 units as per the given question. So just subtract the total hours. So what this minus this, you get 63.90 hours. So now we got to know the labor hours required to produce 24 units. Now we can easily calculate the labor cost. So take the labor hours, multiply by per hour rate is rupees 12. So you get labor cost, that is rupees 766.8. Now let us move on with the second problem. Problem statement 2. A company developing a new product makes a model for testing and then a demonstration model and then goes for regular production. The time taken to make a single model is 300 hours, and from past experience of similar models, it is known that a 90% learning curve applies. The average time for each of the third and fourth model, that is two production models, will be, so four options is given: 270, 216, 243 and 290. So here the learning curve is 90%. To produce the first model, the time taken is 300 hours. So here the clue which is given is to produce the third and fourth model, in the sense, so we have four products, four units are there, and the other clue which is given here is two production models. Two production models is after the first unit, the next two steps. Two production model is 1, next multiply is 2, then 4. So till 4 we have to calculate, till 4 units we have to calculate. Here four options are there. So after we solve the problem, we have to know which is the correct option or correct answer. Whether the correct answer is option A or option B or option C or option D. So let's solve the problem. First, as per the first step, we have to calculate the learning curve. So number of units, as I told you, till it is 4. 1, 2 and 4. Calculate the average time. Here the learning rate is 90%. So in the question it is given to produce the first model, the time taken is 300 hours. 300 hours. So just write the 300. Then calculate the next subsequent average time. How do we calculate? 300 into 90%, you get 270. Then 270 into 90%, you get 243. Well, the total hours is just multiply these both columns, you get the total hours. Let's calculate now the labor time. That is the time taken to produce third and fourth unit. So how do we calculate? Here you can see this is the fourth unit and this is the second unit. So here the third unit is there. So the two production units, two production models. You can observe here in the question two production models. So 4 minus 2, you get the third and fourth one. In other words, just minus 972 hours minus 540 hours, you get the time taken to produce the third and fourth unit. That is, we got 432. I repeat, 972 minus 540, we get the time taken to produce the two units, that is third and fourth unit. So after we get to know the total hours, in this problem they have not asked us to calculate the labor cost, but we have to calculate the average time. Observe the question, average time. How do we take the average time? Just take the total hours divided by number of units. Here how many units are there? Third and fourth unit. Third and fourth unit is nothing but the 2 units. So 432 divided by 2, we get 216 hours. So 216 hours is the answer. You can observe C. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Let's see the problem statement 3. Your company has been approached by a customer for 4 units of a new product made to be customer's individual specification. The company experiences 90% learning rate. The estimated labor time for the first product is 150 hours and the company's direct labor cost is rupees 5 per hour. As per the first problem, here also they have given first the order received is 4 units. Then the time taken to produce the first product is 150 hours. The learning rate which is given is 90% and the labor cost for per hour is rupees 5. Well, we have to estimate the labor cost for this order. We have to calculate the labor cost for the above order, that is for 4 units. Then after receiving the first order of customer places a repeat order, what will be the labor cost for the second order. So what is the first order? First order is 4 units. Again the customer repeated the order. Repeated the order means again the customer has placed 4 units order. Repeatedly he has again placed 4 units of order. So for that also we have to calculate the labor cost. Then the third thing is, if the customer has ordered all 8 units at the same time, calculate the labor cost per unit for the combined order. The third thing is, if at all the customer has ordered all the 8 units at a time, then we have to calculate the labor cost. In short, we have to calculate the labor cost for the first 4 units, then repeat order, second order 4 units, then the combined order, that is from first unit to the 8th unit, we have to calculate the labor cost. So let's start the solution. First step, as usual, we have to calculate the learning curve. Since the total units is still 8, we have to write, or we have to prepare the learning curve table till 8 units, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Let's calculate the average time. So here the learning curve rate is 90%. So to produce the first unit, the time taken is 150 hours. So just take 150 hours, then calculate the next average time, that is 150 into 90%, you get 135. 135 into 90%, you get 121 and so on. So then how to calculate the total hours? Just multiply this column into this column, you get the total hours. So after we calculate as per the question given, for each of the things, that is the first order, then the second order, then all 8 units, we need to calculate the labor cost. So let's calculate. So first one is total labor hours for 4 units. So 4 units, what is the total labor hour? That is 486 hours. Just now we have calculated. So let's calculate the labor cost. Take the hours, multiply with the labor rate. What is the rate which is given in the question is rupees 5. So we got the labor cost is rupees 2430. Similar way we have to calculate for the second order. So second order is, again the customer repeated the order. Repeated the order in the sense, again he placed for 4 units. So let's calculate. So that is, again he placed for 4 units. You can observe in the table. So till here is the first order. Again he placed 4 units. Okay. So this 8 minus 4, we get 4 units. So in other words, 874.8 minus 486, we get the total hours required to manufacture the repeated order of 4 units. So the same thing is given here. 878.8 minus 486. So we get 388.8 hours is the total labor hours required to manufacture the repeated order of 4 units. Okay. So now we got to know the total hours. It's easy for us to calculate the labor cost for the second order. That is, take the hours, multiply with the per rate, that is rupees 5 per hour. We get the labor cost of the second order is rupees 1944. The next one is the third aspect which we have to calculate. That is, if the order is placed for 8 units directly, that is total labor hours for total 8 units is as you can observe in the table which we have prepared. So for 8 units the total hours taken is 874.8. So how to calculate the labor cost? Just take the hours, multiply with the per rate. So we got this much as a labor cost. So we got to know the answers. Suppose if we want to calculate the average, it's not given in the problem, but still if you want to calculate the average labor cost, well, the formula is just take the labor cost divided by number of units. So what is the, for option A, what is the labor cost? Here you can observe rupees 2430. What is the number of units? Is 4. The same thing is there. 2430 divided by 4, you got the average labor cost. Similar way we have to calculate for the rest 4. So in the option B, in the second order, the labor cost is 1944 divided by, here also the number of units is 4, we got this much. Divided by 4, we got this much. Then for the third order, so here 4374, so what is the number of units is 8 and the average labor cost is 546.75. That's all. Thank you.